This video covers fixed assets. Fixed assets are things like vehicles, equipment, and furniture that you use for your business. You keep a list of these items so that you can track depreciation, the initial cost to purchase the item, and the loss or gain if you ever sell it. Tracking the cost of fixed assets affects the worth of your business and the size of your tax bill. So a quick definition here. Depreciation is used to expense the price of a fixed asset over time, since fixed assets generally have long-term value when operating a business. For this video, open the working file called landworks_lists. In the video covering the chart of accounts, you learned about setting up accounts to track a new asset, and we created an account for the nice blue car. Now we'll add the car to the fixed asset list. Go to the List menu and choose Fixed Asset Item List. Now first, I don't like how all these columns are scrunched up, so I'm going to open this up a bit. Okay, to add a new asset, go to the Item menu and click New. Let's move this up a bit. So in the Asset Name/Number field, type an identifier for this asset. So this name will appear on reports, so give it a name that will distinguish it from other fixed assets. Like if you have 2 Jeeps, add the model year. So for this, I'll type blue BMW. Then choose the asset account for this fixed asset, which would be vehicles, nice blue car. And this car was purchased used, so I'll select used. And for description, I'll type 2003 BMW. For the date, choose the date the asset was purchased. And this was December 1st. And then enter the cost, $20,000. In the vendor payee field, type the name of the vendor or person you purchased the item from. And I'll enter the car dealer here. In the asset description field, you could describe the asset a bit more. So I will type dark blue BMW 4-door 2003. In the location field, type the location where this asset was placed into service. So if the asset were real estate, you could type the address. So I will type the town. Here you could type the purchase order number if it's applicable, but for this it's not. And then you could type the serial number, or for a case of a vehicle, this could be the VIN number. And then you choose the date the warranty, if any, expires. So I will choose a warranty for 90 days. And you could enter any optional notes here. So you leave the sales information fields blank until you actually sell the asset. Click OK to save the new fixed asset. And there you can see it appears in the fixed asset item list. Let's go ahead and close this list. And that's all there is to this video.